Hi, I'm Daniel from CPAP Solutions Australia, and I'm here today to talk to you about your pre-installed Wi-Fi module on the BMC Luna G3. If your Luna G3 has this sticker on the bottom of the device, it means that your Wi-Fi module came included with your CPAP package and is already installed. This means that you don't have to install it by yourself and you're ready to go with your Wi-Fi setup. If there's no sticker here, it means that there's no Wi-Fi module included in your Luna G3. If you'd like to purchase a module, you can easily do so on our website. And now I'm going to take you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to install a brand new Wi-Fi module into your Luna G3 if you bought a Luna G3 and it didn't include one when you purchased it. Rotate your G3 upside down and safely unscrew the lid on top of the module compartment. Remove the lid and place aside, and you'll see the empty Wi-Fi module compartment here. Take your brand new Wi-Fi module and place it firmly into the compartment and push. Replace the lid on top of the module compartment and safely screw back down. If you've purchased your Luna G3 through us, then we don't require your serial number or your PIN number because we take down this information prior to shipping the device to you. If you've installed the Wi-Fi module yourself, you'll need to go to Settings, About, and then forward the serial number and the PIN to your provider. And there you have it, you've installed your Wi-Fi module into your BMC Luna G3. I hope this video has been helpful. If you like our content and want to stay up to date, make sure you subscribe below to stay up to date with all of our latest content. Have a great sleep.